Hello guys, it's Soraya here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's all about interior, guys. I hope you like this one. So let's start from here. So guys, this is our corridor area. This is basically where everyone lands when they coming from downstairs. We live in a flat, so it's not very big. It's something small, but it's okay for now. Yeah, so this area is basically, we've gone for like a white and brass theme. And this table, this sideboard table, is basically from Dewell. The table lamps, they from TK Maxx. The mirror, which I love, they from Dewell as well. And I really like how abstract they can be. I really do love this. This arrangement, I actually got it online. I'm not so sure about the brand where I got it from, but I'll definitely link it down below. And what I love about Lily's orchids, what I love about orchids arrangements is that they make any area, any room look chic and very elegant. Yeah, baby. Yeah, more? Do you want more? Okay, mommy's gonna get it. 1 minute, let's go. Here guys, we have our wall gallery. So this is basically a wall that we decided to feature just the kids. We still have plenty of wall to feature ourselves, but I think it's cuter when you have the kids, and the area is quite like in your face, so the kids make it look much cuter. So yeah, for now being, we just have the kids, and yeah, I really like this wall. It just reminds me of how quick they're growing up, and yeah, they just grow up so quickly. It's unbelievable. Yeah, so for this area, this is it. But even though it looks like it's finished, to me it's not really finished. I feel like we still have a few things to just add, bits and bobs, like a radiator cover and maybe a rug on this area, but yeah, we'll get into that later on. So now guys, let's get into the other part of the tour. Follow me. Do you wanna go in? Yes? So guys, come on in. This is the room where Kyle and Kaylani sleep in. So yeah, this pretty much is it. At the moment we still have just a setup that is fit for Kyle, but very soon we're gonna add a new bed and have a different layout, hopefully. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys around. So let's get started. So for this bedroom, guys, we wanted to go for neutrals and brass again, just to match the rest of the house. because the house is around the same tone. It's mainly brass and brass slash gold, cream slash ivory. And yeah, so we wanted to have some kind of a contemporary feel and minimalist around this area, because at the time we was expecting no, we had Kyle and I was expecting a baby. We didn't know what we were going to have, so I wanted to keep it neutral, so in case the next baby comes, can just, you know, basically fit with any gender, any baby gender. So yeah, let's get started and speak less. Well, this big teddy, we got it for Kyle when he was 1, I think. Yeah, so we got this from Smith stores. I think that's the name. I'm not so sure. These orchids, we got it from TK Maxx. The side table, which I'm aiming to get new handles just to match the rest of the theme. I need to change it to a brass handles, but meanwhile we'll just keep that one. The side table is from Wayfair. The table lamp is from Coat Furniture. This card that Kyle really loves, this one is from White Company, if I'm not so sure. Yeah, so this side, guys, we have their little kitchen where they love to play. They really do love to play on this kitchen, especially Kaylani. I'm not so sure if she wants to play right now, but let me try and convince her to just demonstrate. Oh, no, that's not working. How about you, Kyle? Come to mommy. Do you want to cook something for mommy?
No, Daddy, bye-bye, baby.
Okay, so no cooking for us today. No, okay, no worries. And here we have the wardrobe. And this wardrobe, ooh, Kaylani's going to cook for us, isn't she? Oh, you're going to cook for mommy? Good girl. Okay. So for the wardrobe, we actually have a set of 2, and this one we also had. Okay, don't mind the kids. We also got it from Wayfair. So guys, basically I'm not showing off. This is just the basic normal kids wardrobe. In fact, Kaya doesn't have a lot of clothing. This is just because he keeps on growing. I don't want to be buying lots of clothing that I know that I'm just going to spend money in vain. This is Kaya's part of the closet. Here is this bit, and the other side is my bit. So yeah, let's go into it. So we got the hangers from Amazon. This one I believe was the basket we got from. We got the hangers from Amazon. They're just little to fit the clothing. What we did, because this is not actually a wardrobe for them, so this is the shelf part that we used as a wardrobe or as a hanging bit for the kids. So what we did is, you know, these handles that we actually, this is not the original handles, by the way. We purchased a new one, and just to make it look expensive, that's what we did. We changed the handles to a gold or brass handle. So what we did is the leftover handles, the spare ones, basically, the spare handles that we found or that we got left with, we added on the shelf. So the shelf is here, so we just applied them or fixed them. We fixed the hanger on the opposite side so that we be able to hang all the clothing. So yeah, so that's what we did. That was kind of a DIY type of thing. And then we added the basket just to storage. We have some further clothing on the baskets. Here where we put all his shoes. those are the codes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For the other side, Kaylani's side. So this is Kaylani's side, and we did exactly the same thing. And yeah, the leftover handles that we had lying around, we fixed it on the shelf so that we can hang the clothing. So this is where we hang her clothing. Again, she doesn't have many clothes because she's growing, and yeah, it's just really spending money if you're going to buy loads of kid clothing knowing that they're growing. You're not making a good investment, really. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and if you did like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below which part of the tour was your favorite, and I will link everything down below. Don't worry about that. And until the next video, bye.